Digital art at SMU is entirely computer-based and caters to students new to the media, as well as those with significant previous experience. It applies the essential elements of art and the principles of design to industry-standard graphic applications and expands visual communication skills for the evolving world. Assignments bolster student portfolios and resumes with a practical knowledge of the technical tools used in creative professions. Projects include photo manipulation, image montage, digital painting, vector art, animation, and special effect movies.